2 into the NECA ITF TSDP Python Programming Training 2025. Wow.
And it is not enough just for you to attend this class alone. Implementation will make you better. Implementation in such a way that what you've learned, you are now practicing it. Either you gain employment, or you are doing it on your own, or you are even using it to help people or to help an organization. You need to be able to communicate, to build relationships. It is very, very important.
Here today at the Cisco office here in Victoria Island, and this is my first time in Cisco's office, and I'm so happy that I came here today because I can now see how I can include my skills that I've learned in the Python program into the tech space. So I'm really happy for this opportunity to be here. Thanks to NECA ICT and thanks to Cisco for this opportunity that they are giving us.
My name is Oluwaseun Adebanjo. I'm really happy coming to Cisco for this experience. I say thank you to NECA CAD, and I also appreciate it to UNITeS Cisco from the beginning of this learning Python until this time. I really want to say big shout out to NECA, a big shout out to UNITeS Cisco, and I really enjoyed myself and enjoyed this training today. I say thank you because I've already learned a lot in this training.
So good day. I am the facilitator for the Python programming, and at the same time I'm taking facilitator too. So I'm the one that is facilitating the program organized by ITF, NECA and UNITES at the same time. So the students are here today at Cisco on the island to actually see the real applications of what they are learning in NECA ICT's partner with ITF and the UNITES. So students have seen a lot of things, how they can apply Python programming in their various desires and their fits too.
My name is Chomoko. I'm the General Manager, Special Projects for UNITeS Cisco Networking Academy. And we are here today at Cisco Edge Experience Center to show our trainees currently undergoing the Python training program in collaboration with NECA ITF, to show them the real-world solution in technology.
My name is Collins Olemo. I'm a technical consulting engineer for the Cisco Edge Center, which is where we are currently. and today I've hosted the UNITeS ICT Academy here at Cisco's Experience Center. And I must say that we've had a wonderful time. It's always an opportunity. It's always a good opportunity to meet with young minds and people who have a whole journey ahead of them in terms of ICT, be it developers, network engineers, cybersecurity professionals. And that's one thing I saw today, right? The guys with their different portfolios, their different drives, their different motivations. Currently, I think learning Python, right? To apply it to their various works within the ICT.
I just want to say congratulations to the graduates for this great opportunity. It's not been easy. Going through intensive training for the past 4 months. But I want you to know that one of the best decisions you have made in your life is the decision to enroll for this training program. And I can say in our organizations that the future starts now. Whatever you want to do in your future, begin with the decision you take today. So your future is not just tomorrow,